Alright, this is James from JPN Woodworking, and this is my niece Nevaeh and my niece Jocelyn, and today we're going to be building, why don't you tell me what we're going to be building, Nevaeh?
We are going to be building cars for the Pinewood Derby.
So, we're going to use this.
Shocking face when Jocelyn would have started up. She's like,
okay. So, alright girls, what is the next step we have to do on the cars?
we are going to stand it on a...
You excited to do this, Jocelyn?
Yeah.
Okay. So, the first thing we gotta do, you gotta get your block of wood out. So, you have a pencil and you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
So, if you look in your instructions, take your instructions out also.
Here?
Yes. You see how there's a somewhat template design? This isn't the board, this was this way. So, you're going to draw that type of design on the side. You too.
Okay.
That's what you want. This is a belt stand, girls. Alright?
Okay.
So we're gonna have to get a stool of some sort. Now, what did I say this? A belt saw? It's actually a bandsaw, not a belt saw. Now this one is not gonna be in your competition. I'll draw one up real quick to show you guys how to use the bandsaw. Alright. So, now, we're going to go this way, so that. Alright girls, what is the next thing we have to do for the car build?
Sand it on the belt sander.
You ready to do that, Jocelyn? Okay, let's do it.
Yep. Alright, use both hands. Don't do that part. Now the fun part, the hand sanding.